The Super Affiliate Funnel by David Dekel is a structured affiliate marketing system designed to help users earn commission through multiple income streams. While it offers several appealing features, it's essential to understand both its strengths and potential drawbacks before committing. Let's start with its best features. The key features are it has multiple income streams. The system integrates up to 8 affiliate programs, right? And it includes high ticket offers like legacy builders, and it's allowing users to earn commission from various sources. It's done for use setup, so users receive a pre-built marketing funnel with automated email follow-ups, eliminating the need for extensive technical skills. It also has traffic training, so it has comprehensive training is provided to help users drive traffic to their funnels, covering both free and paid strategies. Community support as well. It has access to a private community of over 36,000 members, offer support, motivation, and shared strategies. Now, there's a lot of good things about this, but there's a lot of bad things you should consider as well. It has a very hefty initial investment. While the system offers lifetime access with no recurring fees, there is a significant upfront cost, which may be a barrier for some. It also has a couple of traffic dependencies, since the success heavily relies on the user's ability to drive traffic to the funnel. Despite the training provided, consistent effort is required to see results. It also has limited customization. The done-for-you nature of the system means users have limited flexibility to make significant customization. Although many users have reported positive experiences with the Super Affiliate funnel, for instance, one user mentioned earning their first commission within 10 days of joining, highlighting the system's effectiveness for beginner. Another user also praised the simplicity and support provided, stating that the system is beginner friendly and offer valuable training. Now, what is this final verdict? The Super Affiliate Funnel appears to be a legitimate affiliate marketing system that offers a structured approach for earning commission through multiple income streams. Its done-for-you setup, comprehensive training, and community support make it accessible for beginners. However, success with the system requires a significant upfront investment and consistent effort in driving traffic. As with any business opportunity, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and consider your own goals and resources before committing.